Oh no, ChatGPT is totally going to steal my job. We're never going to make any more money online ever again. Now, if you've been on the internet for more than 5 minutes in the last 6 months, you've definitely heard this. And let me tell you why it's not true. In the late 90s, a little company by the name of Google came around. Now, Google was instant access to all information from every period of time ever. If you want to learn a skill, you can go into Google, you could type it in, and you will find anything that you need to learn right there at the tip of your fingertips. In spite of all of humanity getting access to every piece of information ever in human history and having the ability to go out and build multiple million-dollar businesses right at their fingertips, what do we use Google for? To ask for the nearest pizza place. And the same thing goes for ChatGPT. So just remember that the next time somebody tells you that your job is in jeopardy and it's over, just ask them to check their Google search history and see how many useful things they searched for. Hey Google, where can I get the best slice of pizza? You see, a tool is only as valuable as a person holding it. And the same thing goes for AI. It's kind of like when you have the greatest power tool in the world and you give it to a really good contractor. So if you took that tool and you gave that to someone like my stepdad, who is very handsy, he built our whole addition on our house, and if there's a project that needs to be done, he's going to do it himself with his hands. Now, if you took that same tool and you gave it to me, just some loser who sits on the computer all day and types away and writes ads, I am not going to be able to do anything with that tool because I don't have the knowledge base or the ability to do that kind of work. Because even when you have access to the best tool in the world, it depends on how you use it. So yes, ChatGPT is incredible. I use it all the time, but without having the right input or the right contractor behind the job, it's not going to work the same for each person. I believe that having an understanding of fundamentals and having a clear vision and a clear direction is worth so much more than just unlimited resources and unlimited information. You see, the reasons why I know that our jobs are safe is because why machines might be great, they're never going to be customers. People are customers. And people, number one, they buy from people. They buy from people that they trust. They buy from people that they like. And number two, people are lazy. Often in marketing, people hire us because they don't want to spend their time doing the tasks that they hired us to do. So while ChatGPT is amazing, it's not going to change the world forever overnight, at least not in the way that you think. Because even when you have access to the best tool in the world, it depends on how you use it. So yes, ChatGPT is incredible. I use it all the time, but without having the right input or the right contractor behind the job, it's not going to work the same for each person.